Okay, guys, welcome back. So in our first previous video, we did a deployment through the portal, and then we created an image. The next video, we created an image of that deployment, and then the third video, we deployed from that image that we created using PowerShell. Um, this video, we're gonna do cleanup because it's something that people always try to neglect. So let's go through the basics here. So I have put all the script on my GitHub. The last two videos we use these two. This video we're gonna use the delete VM and resource. I'm not gonna go through the script because I've already comment the script here with all examples and everything. You can go ahead and look at it yourself. I'm just gonna run it, but I'll give you a brief overview. Basically, I do a lot of demo videos and I do a lot of testing, and I find it difficult that I each time, I don't want to delete the whole resource group because I still need it to deploy, but I want to delete the VM, I want to delete the IP address, and I also want to delete the drives. The key thing is the drives. So that's why I came up with this script that will do all that for me. So let's say I'm on this deployment right now, and then let me see what we got. Okay, let's say I'm on this deployment right now, and I decide, okay, this server is useless because I cannot start it. I cannot, I can't do anything with it because it's been generalized. So I want to get rid of it. I also want to get, I also want to get rid of this one here because it was created by accident. So so I'm gonna go ahead and run my delete VM and resource script. I had already downloaded it into my ctemp on the machine that I'm working on. Let's just go ahead and unblock it. And I got this download from the GitHub. So what I'm gonna do is let's go back here. So I'm gonna run the delete script. As usual, it's gonna prompt for my subscription ID. Resource group. VM names. This is gonna be the VMs that I want to delete. I want to delete two of them, so let's the first one will be this one here. So let's copy this one out. And the next one will be DV2 hyphen VM2. And I put in a switch here. The initial one I had, the initial script I had, this was also one of the feedback. Initial script I had was just gonna go ahead and just nuke everything without giving you an option. But then someone said, well, what if I wanted to do something with the disk? So um, great feedback actually. But I did put in a switch here. This is if you don't want to delete the VM, you can remove that switch. So by default, it won't delete the disk because disk holds data, and people are and see about their data. But in my case, I want to delete the disk. But let me show you just to make sure we see everything. So for example, let's go to the V2 VM that is running. and let's look at the disk. Okay, it has this disk here. Actually, the best place to look at it from is the storage account. So normally when you delete a VM, it always it leaves a disk in here. So as you can see here, we have multiple disks for like this DV2 V2 VM. There's this disk, and then there's this block blob, and then same thing for the server image. We have these two. So after I run my script, 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 drives are going to be deleted. All right, so just let's go back into our resource group here. Right, and also the script is also going to delete all this IP and network interface, anything that is unique to those servers. It's going to delete. All right, so let's go ahead and run our script. Prompt for authentication. Logs in. And so this is going to take a few minutes to do all the resources, just like you're creating. So I'll let the script run, and I'll be back once it's done. Okay, so it looks like our script is done. Everything succeeded, which is good. Let's jump back to our portal. If you notice, like I mentioned, the public IP for the the other two servers are gone. The network adapter for network interface for the other two servers are gone. All right, all we have is resources for the VM1. Perfect. So let's go ahead and jump back into our storage to confirm. Okay. As you can see, only 2 VHDs left for the V1 server. So, I know like I always say, there's nothing like the perfect script, but at least these 3 scripts are what I use to image, deploy, and clean up um, when I want to do a fast deployment. All right, again, thank you for your time, and you have a great day.